Hello guys, JD Gravity RC here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about which is the quad that you need to get to train yourself in Acro mode. And I have myself a Nano QX and also the XK X100. With the Nano QX, it costs around 2 times more than the XK X100, but if you add on XK X7 controller, then it costs roughly the same, but maybe the Nano QX is a little bit more expensive because if you want to fly better, you need to get something like DX6i, which I understand that you cannot get it anymore. It's not in production. So the other alternative is maybe you can get an orange RX transmitter or Devo 7E or maybe a Devo 10. So in that sense, this may be a bit more expensive, but in terms of acro training, this is lighter than XK X100, so this is easier to maneuver when it's hovering and when you're turning, and it's more forgiving when you crash. So this is a much easier quad to fly when you're doing your acro first time. Whereas for this one, because it's heavier, a slight move will make it go, one way or the other way, and it's pretty hard to compensate for the balance, and especially if you want to, make it hover. So, in terms of these two quad, I think this is a better value for money if you want to train acro, and because it costs roughly around, with this transmitter, maybe around $90 US, but this one it costs maybe about roughly around 100 plus US. So as for myself, I have played through about 10 batteries already with this one, and I have now roughly know how to move it around. So you will see in the video following my introduction here that you can move this around much easier than the XK X100. So I'm going to put the two videos together and also this introduction, so you can see for yourself the difference between the two acro quad. But in terms of the XK X100, what you can do is, when you want to train, in order to make this more forgiving, you need to change the gyro. So the gyro, to make it acro, is around 41. So that's this is acro but with a bit of stabilization. So I suggest that when you fly using the value 41 first, and then you slowly, as you improve, you make it a bit lower, which in the video I'll try to show you 3 values: 41, 34, and lastly 20. So this is, in the sense, good transmitter and good quad to slowly ease yourself into acro flying. But as you know, I've been on the FPV Freerider Simulator for quite some time now, and that has really helped me in learning how to fly Acro. So, but in summary, even though you use the simulator to help you, learn your moves, you still need to fly the real quad to really learn the behavior and how to move them in real life. Because as you know, in a simulator, you crash and you don't really care that you crash, but in real life you can crash a lot. And also to fly acro in a confined space is not that easy. So when you don't have enough space to learn acro, you need small quad like this, and slowly you can move on up to a bigger quad. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this video about my discussion of acro mode learning and the quad that you need to buy as a beginner, acro quad. So enjoy the next two videos that's going to follow with this introduction of the Nano QX and XK X100 flying acro. So until next time, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is JT Gravity RC signing out. Cheers.